Situation is deadly serious in hard-hit Buffalo, New York, where rescue efforts continue after the city was buried in snow.
At least 17 people now are known to have died there, and across the country, the storm has claimed the lives of at least 34. CBS 2's John Diaz has been looking into this aftermath, and he joins us live from the newsroom with the latest on this, John.
Yeah, Dave and Natalie, good morning to both of you. Just such sad numbers to report this morning. Governor Kathy Hochul said that she's been in touch with the White House to initiate a disaster declaration. She deployed the National Guard to the Buffalo area to help with what she's calling a life-threatening storm.
We are in a war. This is a war with Mother Nature.
Governor Kathy Hochul saying this weekend's snowstorm will go down in Buffalo's history as the most devastating storm and nothing short of a battle. So far, the 17 people who died range in ages from 26 to 93 years old. Emergency crews expect to continue to find more bodies of those who didn't survive.
There is substantial, significant, and devastating loss of life.
Even some of the snowplows were in need of a rescue. And about 30 miles away from Buffalo, about 200 people spent Christmas Eve stranded at a Denny's.
There were families sleeping on tables, sleeping on, 3 dining chairs, heads down on the table.
A major holiday headache for this Bronx woman who was confined to a family member's home, unable to get back to New York City.
We've been stuck in the house all these days.
Hundreds of thousands of Americans experienced power outages at some point over the weekend, from Maine to Washington state. Travel nightmares also continued throughout the weekend at airports across the nation. More than 9,000 flights were canceled or delayed on Christmas Day, according to FlightAware.
I got a text saying that I was rebooked. When I tried to change it, it said that I needed to call the maintenance line or whatever, and they actually didn't answer.
And back here in New York, the governor also said that many emergency vehicles got stuck in the snow. We were told that later on this morning, Nassau County will be sending a fleet to help out with efforts up in the north, and Con Ed already sent 25 crews yesterday. Dave?
Thanks, John. And we'll